Water supply, commercial and domestic, is becoming an increasingly challenging issue in Britain and Ireland. Demand is increasing and infrastructure is struggling to keep up. Individual water usage has increased by 1% every year since the 1930s. Populations continue to grow. But inadequate investment in the water network over the past decades mean that as much as 4 out of every 10 litres of water is lost through leakages. The water supply in our major cities is reaching or is over capacity. At the same time, climate change, along with more intense urban development, is leading to more severe flooding than has ever been seen before. When the hard surfaces in urban developments are hit with heavy rainstorms, the rain can simply run off and overwhelm the drainage systems. Over the past 10 years, the UK and Ireland has really begun to feel the effects of this. Globally, flooding is causing billions of pounds of damage yearly. Introducing Storm Harvester, a revolutionary technological advance combining flood prevention and weather forecasting to reduce commercial and domestic water demand. To help prevent future flooding, governments have enacted legislation requiring all new commercial and housing developments to hold their rainfall within their site and gradually release it to the surrounding pipes. So, how is this usually done? Well, large pipes, similar to those seen here, are installed into the developments. Rainwater is then temporarily held within these pipes during periods of heavy rain. Rainwater is gradually released back into the external drainage network and rivers over time. Usually, the allowable discharge rate for the water back into the external drainage of rivers will be greenfield runoff, or 10 litres per second per hectare. That, effectively, only allows an average suburban house to release a small bottle of water back into the network every minute during heavy rainstorms. Alternatively to discharging back into the network, the water can be held on the site in large soak-away structures similar to the one seen here and allowed to infiltrate into the ground over time. These traditional attenuation methods mean that the valuable stormwater falling on the site is not utilised. Storm Harvester is designed to provide the legally required flood prevention while at the same time ensuring that water held within the system can be used to ease water demand within the development. So, how does Storm Harvester work? Storm Harvester provides the required attenuation volume within rainwater harvesting tanks, similar to the one seen here. These tanks are equipped with a piece of smart technology connected directly to the National Weather Forecasting Nowcast service. Nowcast maps the current weather, then uses its speed and direction of movement to provide an extremely accurate 6-hour rainfall forecast. Nowcast is one of the most accurate rainfall prediction systems available worldwide. As you can see happening here, the satellite sends a message to our system inside the tank telling it to lower the water level to provide the required attenuation for the upcoming storm event. Therefore, when the rain arrives, the attenuation volume required will be provided within the tank. This means that one tank can provide 100% of the required attenuation, while also providing a fully operational rainwater harvesting system. The tank provides a source of recycled water which can be used for non-potable domestic applications such as flushing toilets, watering gardens and washing clothes. This is likely to reduce the water bills for domestic homes by up to 50%. In addition to this, Storm Harvester can also be retrofitted to existing attenuation systems, allowing them to remain full of water between storm events. But when the next storm event is forecast, Storm Harvester will lower the water level to provide the required attenuation. So when the forecasted rain arrives, the attenuation volume required will be available. In commercial applications, this provides a very valuable non-potable water source, which can be used to reduce water bills by up to 90%. Storm Harvester will revolutionize how flood attenuation and rainwater harvesting is treated within the construction industry. At no extra cost, Storm Harvester will add a state-of-the-art rainwater harvesting system to the legally mandated attenuation system that every new development must now have. This will add value for the developer while reducing costs for the occupants.